How to fix Venmo account locked. In order to fix Venmo account locked, now it depends on the reason for a lock, which is typically a failed payment, negative balance, or security verification issues. If locked due to failed payment, what you need is logging to you could pay by app. That means log in and tap on restore your account, or pay now on the brown piece. Then you just want to make sure to visit the venmo.com/recover to settle the balance using a debit card or a bank account as well. You could also use a debit card as instant, while the bank transfer can take up to 3 to 5 business days to clear and unlock the account as well. And if for security identification, if Venmo detects unusual activity or a potential user agreement violations, they will freeze the account for review. Then Venmo will send an email explaining the lock, reply directly to that email to start the resolution process as well. And you may be required to upload a government issued ID, photos, and all that. And this way, you should be able to fix Venmo account locked. If nothing works out, you could simply go ahead and contact support team, let them know about it, and they will be able to help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.